Today is December 31, 2012. We are lucky that we are here with Barotac Nuevos Pride, that is Chiqui Caligdong. Mr. Ike Buensuceso.
Hello.
Freelance media man, going to do this interview with our pride. Today is also the Thanksgiving Day for the Caligdong family, by King being one of the pillars of this town. Mr. Ike Buensuceso, you now have the floor.
Nice meeting you, Mr. Chiqui Caligdong. For the information of everyone, Mr. Chiqui is Mr. Football Philippines, and a member, captain of the Ascas football team, and a Globe Telecom Sports Ambassador. And to top it all, lately, he tagged as one of the TOIM awardees. And TOIM means 10 Outstanding Young Men. A very prestigious award. So I have this question for my idol, Mr. Chiqui Caligdong, actually my nephew, because his father, Type King, and me are very close. Number one question, Mr. Chiqui. Football has been very good to you. Please tell us how good football is to you.
For me, football is a passion. It's mana-mana. Football. Or, yun nga, sabi, sa Barotac, like, yung neighbor mo, yung kababata mo, it's like, yung football, lahat larong football lang dito sa Barotac. Kahit saan ka pumunta, like, kahit saan barangay. Football for me is very important. Like, pagdating mo sa pag-aaral, magagamit mo siya in scholarship. No? And, yun, tapos football for me, yung, kumbaga, marami kang matutulungan. Yung pagiging friendly mo, magiging in and out, inside the field, outside the field. Ano yung ma-share mo sa mga teammates mo. So, football for me is football is life. Pag nag-roll yung life mo, gano'n rin yung pag-roll ng bola.
Well said. So, number two question to Chiqui is that there are so many talks about your limited playing time. For me as a sportsman, I'm also questioning the coaching staff. Why did they do so? What can you say or comment about that instance?
Sa akin, wala naman akong doon. Sinasabi na hinanakit, no? Siguro, sa game plan. Sa game plan, sa team. So, I do respect what their decision is. Yung mga decision ng staff, yung decision ng mga sa management. So, I respect them kung kumbaga strategy. So, sometimes the opponent is helping the team plays, no? So, I accept. Yeah, I do wrong that first game on the time. That's why I play on the second half, on the last 15 minutes against Vietnam. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, if I go in the second half, kahit na mga 20 minutes, so, gagawin ko lahat. Hindi ako, kumbaga, nagsasama ng loob na, like, 20 minutes wala ka nang magagawa. So, sa football, every second, may maraming nangyayari. Diba? So, kung ano yung mga nakikita nila, ano yung nasasabi nila. So, wala tayo may opinion sa mga ganyang bagay.
Very well said from a humble person. I think people with that attitude, you will really go places. As now, you are going places already. Who among the Barotacnos can become a Globe Telecom, a giant corporation owned by the premier family de Ayala, and they choose you as Globe Sports Ambassador. Can you somehow unveil some of your plans on this and programs just an informal announcement, if you will.
For me, yep, siyempre, hindi madali magiging ambassador ka ng isang big company like Globe, Ayala Corporation. So, para sa akin, an opportunity, an honor na magiging kabahagi nila, na kinuha nila ako. So, nakita naman na sila siguro yung paano ako nagiging ganito, kung ano yung pinapakita ko sa bayan. So, babalikan ko kung ano yung mga ano nila sa akin, na offer nila sa akin, kung ano yung pagiging brand ambassador ng pangalan nila. So, sa tingin ko, marami pa akong gagawin para may contribute ko para sa company nila, sa stores, like sa Globe Ambassador ka. Siyempre, marami kang plano para ano yung maitulong mo sa community. So, siyempre, para sa akin, kung bibigyan na, may mga hinahanda na ako next year na mga game plan sa mga tournaments or clinics, so all over the Philippines. So, siyempre, unahin ko yung Visayas. So, mas maganda yun. At yun lang yung mga development siguro. Pero mas marami pa ba yun.
Very good. That's very good news from the sports ambassador himself. So folks in Visayas expect some sports activities coming from Safety. So you sound very a person who will go a long way, Safety. I tell you. And are you aware that this coming January you are going to receive the most prestigious award, the Toyin Award? What are your impressions about being selected as Toyin Award? I mean, what can you say?
Toyin Award, hindi ako makapaniwala na makabilang ako sa top 10 Toyin Award, you know. So, sabi tinawagan ako na mag-try ako sa EYM. So, sabi ko, I'll try my best kung ano yung...
May I jump in on that scene? By the way, this is Captain Carlos Lydia Dongor, Master Mariner. We are doing this interview with Soto Ike. Being a former member of the JCs, and the JCs, by the way, is behind this TOYM.
Yep.
Persons, very well-known persons like JC Senator Ruby Catalampunan, Chiefy, we are inviting you to join the organization upon the revival of the JCs in Barotac Nuevo. That's the Tamasak JCs. What can you say about this?
It's an honor. And, malaking bagay yan para sa akin. Yep, I'm a member of Junior JCs before, Barotac Nuevo chapter. So, yun lang, nawala ko sa Barotac, siyempre, nawala ko yung JCs. So, kung ibabalik ka, siyempre, masaya ako doon. At I'm so thankful na behind kung sino yung mga nasa likod ng organization na yun. Nandito lahat, yung nakikita mo yung tulungan, di ba? So, kung ano man yung award na to, napakalaking bagay para sa akin. It's the first time in Barotac, no, na nakuha ng Toyin Award. So, sabi na nila na hindi daw basta-basta. Pero, siyempre, para sa akin, I'm so blessed lang. Kung ano yung pinapakita ko sa lahat, so, binabalikan na ako.
Actually, this first time in the whole of the 20 years, nobody can get so, for that, my personal admiration, saludo ako sa iyo, Chiefy, and may God bless you because you are a very good person. And to end this interview, would you like finally to say something about Barotac and to Adito about your family,
yun nga, sabi nila, there's no place like home, diba?
Paiyak naman ako.
Diba? Kung saan ka nanggaling, pabalikan.
We may go to greener pastures out of the country, but we still go.
Hindi ako nag-iisip na iiwan ko yung Barotac. That's why I'm always trying na makapagbigay ako ng pangalan sa Barotac. I'm always do my best kung ano yung natutunan ko before in my coaches in Barotac Nuevo. So kung ano yung nakukuha ko sa kanila before. So pinipilit ko yun para sa kanila. So kung saan ako nanggaling, saan ako tumipa, saan ako natuto mag-ikot mo, nandito ako sa Barotac. Walang makapagpigil, walang makapagsabi na ang Barotac Nuevo na hindi dapat na magiging football capital. Dapat na magiging football capital. So, I'm so glad and so happy na galing ako dito. And yung lahat ng tao, lahat ng kahit bata, pag nakikita mo, so kung ano yung nadaraanan mo before, so nakikita ko sa kanila na Barotac will rise up na magiging tataas pa.
And I'd like to add something about this Barotac Nuevo being the football capital of the Philippines. I would like the rest of the country to be aware that we Barotacnons have loved football for the past 100 years or so. So hindi basta-basta makuha sa amin yun. I'm sorry, but this is fact. Okay?
So, what can you say to your father and mother?
Siyempre, yan yung nagbigay sa akin ng buhay kong ilang taon na ako ngayon, di ba? So, masaya ako na nandito kami lahat kami ng magkakapatid, lahat ng mga pamangkin, brother-in-law, sister-in-laws. So, masaya ako na nagdidiriwang kami sa bagong taon. So, especially mga friends, relatives na nandito sa celebration. So, salamat and basta hanggang may pagkakataon pang makapagbigay ako ng karangalan sa Barotac Nuevo, sisikapin ko at palaging mabigyan ko ng pangalan yung town.
There you go, folks.
Okay.
The pride of Barotac Nuevo, Mr. Simply Calixto, live interview in the residence of Barotac Nuevo. So thank you very much, Secretary, for the opportunity.
Okay. To God be the glory, and to Barotac Nuevo be the fame in football. This is Captain Carlos Guidia Dongor, with Toto Ike, with Suseto, with this very special interview with Titi Caligdong, POYM awardee 2012. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang Barotac Nuevo. Sipa, Barotac!